Alright, so nagbabalik na naman tayo. And for today's video, I wanted to talk about stagnation. No? What is it that you need to do kapag stagnant ka na sa progress mo, stagnant ka na sa pieces mo, you don't know where to go, what to do, 'di ba? May mga ganyang instances. Not just for professional musicians, but also for beginners and intermediate players, 'di ba? Kasi it's not like everyone knows exactly ano yung ginagawa nila or kailangan nilang gawin to get out of a rut or from a problematic area. Let's say sa mga pyesa, ano ba yung susunod kong gagawin or something like that. Okay, so based on my experience, no, of course, kahit ako pinagdaanan ko din yan, yung parang wala naman akong kailangan gawin, ano bang dapat kong gawin, di ba? Lagi tayong may ganong question. You have to just understand that progress is never just linear na itong step na to susundin mo lang magiging ganito na, no? Walang ganong klaseng progress talaga palagi, no? Sometimes it does happen in a well thought out system, but sometimes even in systems there's tend to be gaps in between na parang okay, dapat kaya ko na to bakit hindi ko pa rin magawa, parang may mga ganon, no? And I think one of the most important things that we have to go back to is feedback. Kasi minsan, especially for a lot of people who are studying on their own, naririnig ko to na parang kaya ako nagpa-lesson kasi hindi ko na alam kung saan ako pupunta. And yung pagsimula nyo on your own led you to that, 'di ba? Kasi hindi nyo alam ano talaga yung next na steps na iti-take. And yun, that is a good fix, no? Not just for beginners, but for also for advanced players and professionals na parang hindi ko na alam anong gagawin ko. You just need feedback from other persons, other people, no? But of course, you have to find the right feedback para sa inyo, no? So you have to find people that you trust, find people na alam kung ano yung pinagdaanan nyo, no? It's the same thing as asking medical advice from a doctor, 'di ba? They won't give you general answers lang because that won't help you. Kailangan malaman nila yung history mo, ano yung pinagdaanan mo, what are the problems that you faced before, or ailments na meron ka, allergies mo, comorbidities. 'Di ba ganun din pag naghihingi tayo ng feedback? You can't just find a random person, oy, pakinggan mo nga ako anong kulang sa akin. 'Di ba? Especially kung medyo mataas na yung level. I think sa mga beginners, that can still happen, no? Basta maayos yung magbibigay sa inyo ng feedback, hindi yung natuto lang din on their own, no? Kasi babalik na naman tayo sa lessons I think lessons are really integral, no? Sobrang importante yung part niya na kahit gaano ka nakagaling, kailangan mo pa rin siya, no? Ganun siya kaimportante na hindi porket marunong ka na, alam mo na lahat ng gagawin mo. Kahit nakalagay na dyan yung step by step na susundin mo, sometimes you just feel like there's something missing. And sometimes you need input from people outside looking in. Kasi pag minsan tayo lang, sinasabi lang natin sa sarili natin, hindi talaga natin kayang sabihin may mga bagay na we try to hold back, not because we can't accept it. Siguro may mga ganun din, but maybe sometimes kasi hindi talaga natin makita, 'di ba? And the only way is to find someone to tell you that. And it's not just about lessons, it's also about the sense of community, 'di ba? If you have a community behind you of like-minded individuals who are willing to help you out, no, just to understand your situation, just to understand bakit nga ba stagnant ka, bakit hindi ka nag-i-improve, bakit hindi ka nag-grow. Maybe you're lacking something, no? So, a community, no? Build that community, be with like-minded people, no? Find a way to perform. For example, manap ka kung merong mga orchestra programs or projects around your area na pwede kang makasali, no? Doesn't need to be professional. Kung intermediate player ka na, ano ba talaga yung gagawin ko? Kasi kahit anong libro na lumabas dyan, that won't solve any problems until you truly understand what you are lacking. And you can only find out, sometimes you can only find out what you're lacking if someone points it out sa'yo. Diba? Kasi hindi talaga pwedeng ikaw lang eh. No one is an island nga eh. No man is an island nga, diba? So, having a community, having a mentor, having people around you who supports you in any field naman, ganun eh, diba? When we feel like we're stuck, when we're lost, we just need a community that will embrace us and help us move forward. 'Di ba? If it's a skill issue, minsan akala mo yung problema mo yung instrument mo pala hindi mo alam, 'di ba? Akala mo sinisisi mo ang pangit ng technique ko, ganito, ganyan. Yung pala sira pala yung violet mo, no? Or the other way around. You're always saying, wala akong budget, kailangan ko ipaayos to, pero hindi pala. Baka skill pala. So, mahirap magsabi ng directly ano ba kailangan mong gawin, but there's always a lot of things, 'di ba? It's very personalized kasi, no? Yung mga problems na pinagdadaanan natin, some people may have gone through it as well, no? Some people didn't go through it. So, you have to find a way to make it seem na okay, your stagnation is going to maybe we can say na basta na lang mawawala yan, but at least you have somewhere, a ground to stand on, to start again and continue your growth, 'di ba? So ganun, ako yun ang masasuggest ko sa inyo. Kung feeling nyo hindi na ako gumagaling, baka may kailangan kang gawin na hindi mo napapansin, and only people around you that you trust, and hindi ka masasaktan pag sinabi nila, no? That's why trust is important din when you ask for feedback eh. Kasi kung hindi mo pinagkakatiwalaan yung tao, kumari yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng feedback may hidden galit pala sa'yo, di ba? Hindi natin masusure kung constructive ba talaga yung bibigay nila. So, find your community, find your space, find like-minded people to help you get out of that stagnation. Sana nakatulong to. If it did, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.